Gator Pit, Texas. Rich Robin here. I'm walking through the pit that we designed and just completed for Hess Corporation. Many of y'all may know them. They're pretty much worldwide. This is a 24 diameter two-door main chamber with a 24 by 24 by 36 tall vertical smoke box. We have a charcoal grill, and we have two 160,000, 160K BTU burners built into it with control valves on each side to control the burners independently. We have your tank holder and quick connect regulator hose. Up front is a tongue box, and inside that tongue box is your water heater and your RV marine battery to operate your diaphragm pump in the back. Freshwater tank and a stainless steel sink, 2-bay sprayer, hot and cold running water. That's that 26-gallon freshwater tank with a 2.2-gallon diaphragm pump. Back to your passenger side burner. Safety chain, steel wheel. We put in a 2-inch bulldog type coupler, 5,000-pound top line jack. Backside here, birdhouse stacks. Hess signage again. We got a nice large storage area here. See more how big it is from the back. Got your tandems, electric brakes, light kit. Now you can see how wide that storage is. It's about a 3-foot wide storage. And your firebox, dial style air intake vents, cool touch handles. Got gas assist as well in there. There's gas assist. There's your valves to control your gas line or your burner inside. Wraparound shelf, preheating wood, pot of beans, full pan of meat to keep warm, whatever you want to do up there. Protective plate over your gas line there. You can see from the top, protects that gas line. Gator Pit commercial gauges, locks for all your doors, fully flanged doors, your sliding food trays, your tuning plates inside for even temperature. Top rack as well slides. Second door is identical, same thing. And then your vertical box, just open here. It's got your 4 slide racks, you see there. And again, your Hess sign, Gator gauges, door locks. Beautiful pit, running 205, 75, 15 trailer rated tires, 2x3 by 4-inch thick trailer frame, reinforced and gusseted. Again, running those tandem 35K or 3.5K or 3,500-pound axles, Dexter axles, hubs. Beautiful pit. Yes, I ought to enjoy this. This one's going to North Dakota. We're shipping it out next week. Rich Robin, Gator Pit, Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. Don't forget to give us a like on the video, subscribe, hit the bell, get notices of future videos. But at least give us a like out there, guys. I'm Rich Robin. See ya.